And now on the women's side, our first senior is a butterflyer from Woodside, California, Hayes Hyde. She's a member of Temple College, majoring in environmental studies and interested in a career in environmental policy making. She was first team All-Ivy in the 200 butterfly in 2009 and 2011. Second team All-Ivy 200 individual medley in 2011. She's a Burke Award winner for outstanding underclassmen swimming in 2009. She's the Jacko Award winner for outstanding performance in the individual medley in 2009. The Heaton High Point Award winner for most points accumulated by a female swimmer or diver in 2011. She's an honorable mention All-American in 2010 and 2011. She's an NCAA B qualifier 2005 to the present. She's a USA Swimming Nationals finalist in 2008, 2009, 2011, and most recently an Olympic trials qualifier in the 200-meter butterfly. In the words of one of her teammates, she has always been a strong leader on the team and always pushes herself and her teammates to strive for big goals. Hayes definitely has a work hard, play hard personality that will be greatly missed next year. Our next senior is a breaststroker from Urbana, Illinois, Athena Liao. She's a member of Brown College, majoring in psychology. She spent the majority of her freshman and sophomore year nursing injuries, but resurfaced with a vengeance in her junior year as the top breaststroker, helping her Bulldog team secure several victories in the 2010-2011 season. She's second team All-Ivy in 200 breaststroke and 400 medley relay in 2011. She's the Davey Award winner for outstanding performance in breaststroke swimming. She's an NCAA B-cut qualifier, a senior national qualifier in the breaststroke from 2005 to the present. Currently, Athena is a co-president of the Student Athlete Advisory Committee and a senior board member of the Japanese American Students Union. In the words of one of her teammates, she's one of the goofiest people I've ever met, but a fierce competitor in the pool. I can always count on Athena to give off, light-hearted, fun vibes in any group. More than anyone, she loves the long-standing Yale swimming traditions and makes sure the underclassmen understand their significance. Our next senior is a diver from Strongsville, Ohio, Rachel Rosenberg. She's a member of Dallas College, majoring in art and interested in pursuing a career in product design or advertising. Rachel is the captain of the 2011-2012 Women's Swimming and Diving Squad. She was a first-team All-Ivy in 3 meters in 2010, 3 consecutive year qualifier for the NCAA Zone Diving Championships, placing in the top 15 in 3 meter in 2010 and 2011 championships. Rachel has been a key point scorer at Ivy League swimming and diving championships for the Bulldogs. Finally, the past 3 years in the 3 meter while winning the event her sophomore year. In the words of one of her teammates, I will miss having a captain who did such a great job bringing together a team of both divers and swimmers. One thing I've learned from Rachel is how important it is to be confident in yourself and your abilities. Rachel is a great team leader because she is extremely positive and enthusiastic. Rachel will be successful after Yale because she is a talented artist, is great at going with the flow, and works hard with everything she does. Ladies and gentlemen, the Yale class of 2011.